Hello guys! Welcome to another virtual grammar lesson. I hope you are good, great, happy and safe. So let's get started. Today we're going to learn something new. We are going to learn about simple present, okay? With daily activities, habits or routines. So here we go. Let's start with affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences. In this part 1, we're going to learn how to write sentences using I, we, you, and they as the subject. Here we have the pattern that we need to follow to make sentences. Subject plus verb in the simple form plus the complement. Here we have some examples. Look, first we have the subject, I, plus the verb, call, plus the complement, my grandmother every Saturday. I call my grandmother every Saturday. Here we have another example. We paint our house every year. We paint our house every year. You, the subject you. You read the newspaper every day. You read the newspaper every day. Now let's see how to make affirmative sentences using he, she, and it. This is the pattern that we need to follow to make affirmative sentences. Don't forget, we are going to learn how to write affirmative sentences with he, she, and it. With subjects he, she, and it, we need to add a magic S at the end of the verb. We need to add a magic S at the end of the verb with he, she, and it as a subject. Magic S. Here we have some examples. Let's read together. The subject is he. He speaks with his boss every day. Speaks with a magic S. The subject is she. She cooks watermelon food every night. Cooks. She cooks. The subject is it. It eats with a magic S in the yard every day. It eats in the yard. Don't forget to add a magic S. Whoop! With subjects he, she, and it. Good job, guys! Thanks for listening and watching. See you soon. I love you.